Hey, what's up, Pundi X Holder? This is very important video gone for Pundi X Holder because this is the end of this month and people ask me to please share your opinion. This is selling time or buying time. So in this video, I am also share my opinion and I also need your opinion. Therefore, don't forget to share your opinion. Okay, also share your opinion in a comment box to what you want. This is selling time, this is buying time, because this is very important for holder. They can give you a good profit. Okay guys, so let's get start a video. Please subscribe abs tech channel. Please subscribe abs tech channel for latest update. I am updating you every single day of all cryptocurrencies. So guys, the price of £1 X coin as 0.007734 US dollar as the price of £1 X coin. Here, as you can see, the change of pound X price is 4.48% gone up. So what you say, this is good? Absolutely, this is good, and the price is gone, and I hope they can easily cross $1. We have one more day. We have one more day in this month. Tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow is the last day of this month. So don't sell today. I suggest you, my opinion is don't sell today. Wait for tomorrow. I hope the price is gone up and they can give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire. So don't sell it today. Wait a one day. I hope they can cross $1. What your opinion? Please share it. Okay. So let's see the market cap of this coin. You can see here today, this is the last one day market cap. You can see here last one day 4.50% have gone up. Absolutely, the market cap gone up. So if you can see here, full diluted market cap absolutely gone up. So everything is gone up. So this is the coin. Pundi X is going like a rocket. Absolutely, this is good. I think if you are not a holder, then buy a coin and enjoy. Okay, buy a coin. Here you can buy it. So buy it and enjoy, because the Pundi X is gone up day by day and they can give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire. So please wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow I make a special video for this. This is daytime. So this is selling time or this is buying time. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.